Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you all how to delete your Snapchat account. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to watch full video till the end, then you will know how to do that. And please subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. So first of all, you need to go to your Snapchat account. Okay, and then you need to click on your profile icon, and then again you need to click on your settings icon, and then simply scroll down, slowly scroll down, and you need to find out I need help on support. Okay, then you need to tap on I need help. It will take a bit time. Okay, then you can see here is a lot of option, then you need to scroll down. Okay, then you can see here is my account and security option. Just tap on there, and you can see here is a fourth option, delete my account. Okay, just you need to tap on delete my account. Once you click on delete my account, then you can read here so many options or so many things. Then you need to tap on here is account portal. Okay, once you tap on account portal, the Snapchat team, they will asking about your Snapchat username and your password. Just if you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently, then you need to write down your password here and tap to continue. Okay, I just put here is my password, and then continue. Okay, then you can see here is account deactivated. So what they say, just read there properly. Your Snapchat account will be deactive soon. If you have verified an email address with Snapchat, we will send you a confirmation once that happens. Okay, in 30 days your account will be deleted. If you'd like to reactive your account before that happens, just log in to Snapchat. Hope to see you again soon. So this is the only one way you can delete your Snapchat account. Okay, so if you think that this video going to help you, please like this video, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. So see you soon on next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.